Alright, people of the internet, I need some advice. I have this dehumidifier, and here are the specs, right? So it's 115 volts, 60 hertz. Its current is 5.5 amps. So we're talking roughly, let's say 600 watts, right? And then the refrigerator, from what I understand, anyways, you get the point. So let's say even 800, right? 800 watts. So we got batteries. They are 50% charged, but they still got plenty of power. I have this Ames inverter, 24 volts. It's got 120 amps, supposed to be pure sine wave. I mean, that's what they claim. So my continuous is 1500, which is basically like a regular outlet, and my surge is 3000. So in theory, right, this should handle it. So here's the specs for the batteries. We're drawing 0 and 0, and there's my, anyways, you can pause it if you want to see the details there, but here we go. So I got my kilowatt meter, and as soon as I plug this in, right, so watch what happens when I turn this on. So why am I not able to run with my setup? If anybody has any advice, let me know. I have a feeling it's this inverter that's not actually putting out the proper wattage, or it's not capable of putting out the proper wattage to start the compressor. But that's hard to believe, since we could just plug it directly into the wall and no issues. So I don't want to keep on doing this. I don't want to burn something up, but if you guys have any advice or ideas, please let me know. I'm very curious.